This partnership marks a game-changing move for America's Test Kitchen as it joins forces with Studio 71 to amplify its digital footprint. Studio 71, a global media powerhouse known for curating high-quality content across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, has announced a strategic alliance with the iconic cooking brand to boost its online visibility. The collaboration will leverage Studio 71's channel services team to refine America's Test Kitchen's YouTube presence, ensuring its editorial voice shines through tailored strategies that maximize discovery and engagement. But here's where it gets interesting. Studio 71's expertise isn't just about scaling content. It's about crafting experiences that resonate deeply with audiences. By optimizing for platforms like TikTok and Instagram, the company has helped creators reach billions of viewers, proving that digital strategy can turn niche passions into mainstream success. This partnership aims to do the same for America's Test Kitchen, which offers everything from award-winning TV shows like Cook's Country to beloved magazines like Cooks Illustrated and a thriving podcast network. Lee Boykoff, America's Test Kitchen's Chief Marketing Officer, explains, "We're not just sharing recipes, we're building a community where home cooks feel confident, inspired, and connected. Partnering with Studio 71 means we can deliver our trusted content to the platforms people actually love, whether it's a quick TikTok clip or a full-length video." Meanwhile, Studio 71 co-CEO Matt Crowley adds, "America's Test Kitchen is a household name in food media, and this partnership is about unlocking new ways to connect with their loyal audience. By blending our platform expertise with their creative power, we can turn every screen into a space where food lovers engage, learn, and share. And this is the part most people miss. The partnership isn't just about more views. It's about creating sustainable revenue streams and deeper connections. As both brands navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape, this collaboration highlights how innovation and tradition can come together to redefine how we experience food. What do you think? Can a kitchen become a digital hub? Share your thoughts in the comments below.